That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Glorious, absolutely glorious shot, and it runs away for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That's 4. Didn't time that well, but definitely will be pleased with the result. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, he smashed that to the boundary. 4 runs. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? He is an outstanding touch here. He is dealing in boundaries. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. And he helps himself to a 6. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Deep point in place.
That is huge beer. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That's 6. He picked up the length very early. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out-stumped. Has to walk back to the pavilion. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. It's nicely timed. Will only get 1 though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent, the inner circle. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those two in.
Edged, but it's trickled away for four. Unlucky for the bowler.
Can he do it again?
Edged, but it's trickled away for four. Unlucky for the bowler.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Great shot! He has dispatched that and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. That is a very quick single take. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now. There is a fielder at cover. What a ball that was. He's going to leave his luck. Excellent delivery first down.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
What a ball. That is an absolute ripper. He has produced a peach of a delivery.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
That's into the gap. Should look for two.
They would definitely have a score in their mind.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. He has gone for a loose stroke.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Spinner into the action from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Last ball of the innings coming up. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.